aluminum and aluminum alloy. It means the aluminum would be the main parent element and the other element would be in a small fraction. Okay, I mean the element which is in the higher volume fraction is take the name of that alloy basically, right? So now, sorry, we talk about the aluminum. Aluminum is the lightweight, corrosion resistant metal with excellent thermal and electrical conductivity. So if we talk about the conductivity, there are two kind of conductivity: electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity. So as far as aluminum is concerned, both the conductivity is good, right? In case of aluminum, so alloying aluminum with the elements like the magnesium, magnesium, and silicon enhance its mechanical properties for the various applications. At the same time, the other properties also get changed, altered. But what we are concerned here is about the mechanical properties that we are, you know, dealing with the mechanical things. Okay.